based on the talks of today, what would you think for you is the most exciting feature or something you've been shown where you've been like, wow, that's amazing or inspiring?
I was seeing a talk with Thorsten Hans who was talking about Electron. I find that very interesting that you can build the apps for different platforms. You can as easily build for the Xbox as well as a mobile app and the desktop and so on. So I think it's always promising with all these technologies that you're able to deploy to so many different platforms using one language.
What do you think of the decision to move away from TypeScript for Angular 3 and go to CoffeeScript?
I don't think I've ever heard about Angular 3, but maybe you know more than me.
What's your favorite Angular 2 feature?
I actually think it's the component. I know it's not unique for Angular 2, but it's still there in Angular 1, but I really like the way it kind of closes everything in.
Yeah.
It's easier to reason about components, I would say.
So out of the 472 Angular 2 routers, which was your favorite?
I actually liked the one before when it wasn't observables.
Yeah.
I really shouldn't say that as a GD, but I kind of like it simple, but I do see a reason they kind of moved to the other one. Mm-hmm. They needed to support as many, the lazy load principle of it all, I don't think they were able to reach that with the previous version, so
yeah.
I think it's all good where we're at, and hopefully we don't need to rewrite it within another 6 months.
So if you weren't a developer, what do you think you'd be doing?
Well, I was a trained chef in the Navy, so I'd probably be cooking a bunch of food, I would guess.
How famous would you say you were?
Well, last year I would say a 0. Probably this year I'm probably 3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Yeah.
Can you do your best British accent?
Hopefully I'm doing it right now. I'm not really sure whether I'm actually succeeding or failing miserably, but...
I'll give you a 5. Out of 100? Nah.
Yeah.
What do you do in your free time?
I would like to say that I actually have a good free time interest, but in reality I spend most of my time studying up on the latest frameworks and latest concepts.
Yeah,
it's the life of the GDE, I would say.